So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So I am going to share another coupon about this Jenkins DevOps CI-CD Pipeline Bootcamp. So this course is, the title of this course is the Complete Jenkins DevOps CI-CD Pipeline Bootcamp, and the specialty of this course is this is a bestseller course, and this course having a 4.6 rating on Udemy, and this is good for who might be learning to be a DevOps engineer, and you want to improve your skills in the IT industry. So this course is 100% free. When using this coupon, this course becoming 100% free course. So what you learn in this course, so they mention understand the concept of DevOps, continuous inspection, continuous integration, and continuous deployment, and difference between them. You can understand that concepts. And they also mention role-based authorization strategy in Jenkins. So these are some of talents, skills you can get after completing this course. So let's look at how to get this course for completely free. And remember guys, this coupon is only valid for 1,000 students, and because of high demand, these coupons get expired immediately, because of a lot of students are trying to using these coupons, and I'm not the only one who are sharing this coupon. Therefore make sure to enroll with these courses immediately. So guys, let's see how to get this coupon for free. So first of all, you need to link this coupon code link, and the link I will provide it in the comment section. You want to copy that link, so or you can type the code. So this is the code. Code also I will provide it in the description. You can copy the code, but I am recommending to use the link because it is very easy to use. So first of all, you need to copy the link, and then you need to log to your Udemy account. So you can see I am now logged to my Udemy account. Then you need to open a new tab and paste that Udemy link. So in this way, the coupon is automatically applied to this course. Then so don't worry, they provided that you want to try a personal plan for free, starting per $10. This don't worry about this message. You need to press add to cart in this code. So then you need to click on go to cart. Then you can see in my shopping cart my total is they are mentioned free and 100% off. Therefore I need click on checkout and press. Now you can see my total is $0. Therefore you can enroll with this course for free of charge. So hit the enroll now button, and now you can see I can access to this course content for free of charge. So that's how guys get in this course for free. So you can see now I can get this course. So this course having, I think, about this description they mention. So the instructor is Tech Link Selenium DevOps CI software architect. So this course is very high demanding course. You need to, when you not using a coupon, I think you must have to pay $100 for this course. So this is a very good opportunity to you guys. so make sure to use these coupons correctly. So that is it, guys. Hope you are enjoying this video, and make sure to subscribe and keep in touch with our latest videos, because I am going to share plenty of these kind of coupons in future. So make sure to subscribe and follow our videos daily. So that is the, guys. Thank you.